Hi everyone, welcome to Island of Despair, a math game focusing on linear function. Topics included in this game are slope-intercept form, x and y intercepts, parallel and perpendicular lines, types of slope, and solving linear equations, including one-step, two-step, and multi-step equations. Here's the background story for the game. During the summer, you and your friends decided to take a cruise to South America to see the adorable pink dolphins and the fearsome piranhas. It was never a good idea going on vacation without your parents because you were unfortunately shipwrecked in a storm and ended up on a desert island. Fortunately, you found a letter, a map, and hidden messages inside a glass bottle. The letter reads, "Dear travelers, welcome to the Island of Despair. My name is Robinson Crusoe and this is my 28th year on this island. Though it's been a struggle, I have a feeling that my rescue is near. To help you survive and escape this dreaded island, I drew a map of where resources can be collected. I found this mysterious box among the wrecked ship and hid the direction on how to build a raft inside. Everything is encoded in hidden messages to guard against the cannibals. Escape before they find and eat you." Here are the items needed for this game. A breakout EDU box, the ABC multi-lock, directional multi-lock, 3-digit and 4-digit locks, key lock, UV pen, hint cards, reflection cards, and UV flashlights. First, set your locks to the following combination. 3-digit lock is 012, 4-digit lock is 1719, directional lock is down, left, down, right. The letter lock is water, and key lock is taped below the northeast part of the desk. In this game, there is a total of 5 puzzles to solve and 5 locks to unlock. 4 of the 5 puzzles require the treasure map. The last puzzle, the one with the linear equations that are asked to convert number to letter, does not require the treasure map. Here are the resources and handouts to print. There are 5 puzzles, a treasure map, and a prize. So here are the puzzle handouts. There are 5 of them. The first puzzle needs to be solved first in order to solve the second and third puzzle. To set up the treasure map, use an invisible ink pen and label the coordinates with numbers and letters as shown in the picture. Feel free to change the numbers and letters as long as the highlighted numbers, the 1719, and the letters water remain the same. Do not draw the blue highlighted lines. It is optional but recommended that all printed handouts are laminated so they can be reused for another class. To set up the box, place the reflection cards and the prize handout inside the big lock box. Lock the box with 3-digit, 4-digit locks, directional lock, letter lock, and the key lock. This is optional if you want to make the game a little more complicated. You can hide one of the puzzles except for the first puzzle and or the UV flashlight in the small lockbox and lock it with the 3-digit lock. Students will need to solve the first puzzle to open the 3-digit lock. Tape the key to the northeast or top right corner below the desk. Each group should have a large lockbox with 3-digit, 4-digit directional lock, key lock, and 5-letter lock. It is optional that a small lockbox with a 3-digit lock is used. The groups should have 5 puzzle handouts, the treasure map, and UV flashlight unless hidden in the small lockbox. Each group should have designated desk area to ensure that they are using the desk with the key taped underneath. That's it for the setup of the game. The rest of the video will explain how to solve the game. The first puzzle opens the 3-digit lock. The puzzle reads, "The northeast point is where you're located. The southwest point is where the cannibals are. These describe the 2 points already plotted on the treasure map. You can find what you need along the trail between the two. This part tells the students to draw a linear line through the 2 points, using its starting point and the change between the 2 locations. Starting point is the y-intercept, and the change between the two locations is the slope. As shown in the picture, the starting point or y-intercept is 0, 1, and the change between two locations or the slope is rise over run or 2 over 1, which is reduced to 2. The 3-digit for the lock is then 0, 1, 2. The next puzzle is for the 4-digit lock. It reads, I have discovered an abundance of resources on the trail parallel to the route from my tent to the cannibal tribe. This tells the students that they have to draw a linear line parallel to the one they drew for the first puzzle. The puzzle also tells them that they will be starting from x-intercept of 3, drawing the line through the x-intercept of 3 with a slope of 2. Students will obtain a linear line. Using the UV flashlight, they can find the hidden digits for the lock 1719. The third puzzle is the same concept and is used for the 5-letter lock. Students will be starting at point -2, 4 and draw a linear line with a slope of -1/2 for the perpendicular line. Using the UV flashlight, they will find the hidden message water for the 5-letter lock. The fourth puzzle is for the directional lock, going from y-intercept of 2 to slope of -1 over -3. It yields the direction southwest. The compass on the puzzle and on the map provide a hint for this direction. Southwest is south first, then west, so this gives down and left directions. The next point is -3, 0, which provides a down direction, as shown in the picture with the blue arrow. The last point is going towards the right, as shown in the picture with the pink arrow. Combining the directions, students should get down, left, down, right. The last puzzle is for the key lock. Students are required to solve for the variables first. They then have to use the number to letter chart to identify the code. The chart provided for the students is incomplete, so students have to number the rest of the alphabet themselves. If they solve the problems correctly, they should get the message northeast below desk where the key for the key lock is taped. Once students open the box, they will find the prize, which is a handout saying that they have escaped the island of despair. You can congratulate them and start the reflection discussion using the reflection cards in the box. You can find specific reflection questions on the official website.